The dead were sweat dries blood clots bones heal only. The strongest women drive a tractor shirt. At the time I was furious about the idea of covering up a death. I realized that they were right. A certain parade of death is part of any group or institution. It's a fact of life. While hiding from death in your sweat dries blood clots bones heal only, the strongest women drive a tractor shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Sweat dries blood clots bones heal only, the strongest women drive a tractor shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. Poor girl is doing sweat dries blood clots bones heal only, the strongest women drive a tractor shirt. Europe. I was an assistant to my English teacher at the time. I wanted service points and a good reference. And I was her favorite student. She let me stay in her private teacher's lounge too. She called a meeting with her fellow teachers. It turns out that the rumors were true. A student had killed herself through overdose in a bathroom. And other product.